Welcome to another SMC tutorial video in continuation with the on-chain based series that we're on. Today we're going to show you how to get the ENS contract interactions done. Okay, so ENS simply means Ethereum Name Service. So we're simply going to get a base name, that's it. And to do this, we head over to this is browser. Okay, let's get a new tab. And then we are going to be going through the base.org site, that is the official website of the Bsc Chain. Okay, so let's wait for this to load up. All right, so once you head over to the site, you see get a base name, you tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will load up, and then you search for a name. So you search for a name that might be available. So let's see if SMC is available. Okay, so SMC tutors the base is available, and you can see SMC tutors the base is available for 1 year. So you can just have to tap on connect wallet, and in this case I want to use the Rabby wallet. Let's see if it's going to be available for, let's try and put it in desktop site. Tap on connect wallet again, because I have the Rabby wallet, so I'm hoping to see the Rabby wallet is what will come up. Okay, so tap on connect wallet. Alright, Rabby wallet. So as soon as I changed to desktop mode, the Rabby wallet came up. Okay, so connect. Alright, so register name. Okay, so let's wait for this to load up. Alright, so we sign create interaction. Alright, so it's registering the SMC tutors of Bs.eth, and this is going to be available for 1 year. Awesome! Congrats, the name is mine, and I can customize my profile if I want to, or I could just go to my profile. You can just tap on it to see what it's all about, but this video is just to show you how to create your base name. So you could just add a bio and all of that. Step 1 of 3, you create a bio. Learning and earning the digital economy. Let's see, let's quickly do this. Okay, let's see next. Okay, so you have to add socials. No time for that, but let's see if we can just compute just one. And if we can just allow us to proceed. Okay, so next. Okay. And then if you just area of expertise, if you just tap community, so I'm done. Alright, so let's see what comes up next. We've already finished with this video earlier. This is just we're just going about to see what it's all about, what next they have to offer. Okay, so I'm done, because once I'm just done with this process, I'm going to just go back to check our OnChainScore.xyz. Okay, you can see the on-chain score is already visible here. Once you are on the base.org just name slash SMC, it already shows you on-chain score. We're at 21, now we're at 28. We don't even have to go back to the site. So once you're on this, your profile shows you the score. So that's like we don't have to be using the third-party sites. Everything is just displayed on the base website. So now you can see our on-chain score has gone up to 28 points. But if you still want to check using this site, you could just, first of all, have to copy the address, head over to the on-chain score.xyz to confirm this. Okay, so enter manually. You can see how so far we've used about $5 to run from 0 to 28 points. Okay, you can see the same thing, we're at 28 points, and you can see it's the name that's now visible, SMC tutors.base.eth. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that the team member will attend to you. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you find our video tutorials helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, used on the Bsc Chain. The contract address in the description beneath, and ensure to turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. See you in the next video.